These are my brand new Shopify dropshipping product research methods that's enabled me to find a winning product that's done over $5,000 in one single day using this 20-minute product research methods. Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. My name's Camille, known as the Ecom King, and in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my brand new blueprints that's enabled me to find winning products that have done $5,000 in one single day. Now, these strategies that I'm sharing with you today are completely new. A lot of them on today's video haven't even been put on the internet before, so you're in for a massive treat. The other amazing thing about this video is the majority of the strategies I'm going to be showing you are completely for free. Now, if you appreciate this unique brand new content, then make sure you smash the like button and leave a comment, whether it be feedback or future videos, because any support would be widely appreciated. So I'm going to start off the video by showing you guys the proof, and as you guys can see, I'm in the Shopify dashboard, and if I refresh the screen so you guys know this is legit, you can see the date range from the 1st of September to the 2nd of September 2021, and the day I'm recording this video is currently the 7th of September, and you can see on the 1st of September we did roughly over $100, and then on the 2nd of September we achieved over $5,000. And if you take a look at the stats here, you can see the draft orders. There was one for $39.99, and that was a test order, guys, so you guys can see that this is legitimate orders. So guys, this is the first method that I use, and it's completely free on how I'm finding my new Shopify dropshipping winning products. Now, this is the TikTok Creative Center. Now, look at this website as the Facebook ad library, but for TikTok, and this is massive because TikTok is the new king in town in terms of advertisements at the moment. All the successful products that are launching in dropshipping stores tend to be found on this platform, TikTok. So make sure you guys are glued up on this, because this one is not a joke. So what you can do is way more than what you can do on the Facebook ad library, and I'm going to be showing you that right now. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come to this website, and I will leave it in the free Google Doc sheet. It's completely free, and you just need to log into TikTok to get to it, but I will leave it in the free Google Doc sheet, and this free Google Doc sheet has all the information so you can follow along with the video. So make sure you smash 1,000 likes in this video so you can get it in the description. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to leave this blank. Don't touch any of the filters, and just scroll through these videos till you see a product, and if you just hover over the video, it'll actually play the video without you actually having to click on it. So just hover over the video and see if you can see a product in there that you can think that you could find on AliExpress. Now, if we look at the third video, these are just personalized necklaces with the glitter effect on them. So now if I go over to AliExpress and type in personalized necklaces and then sort it by orders, look, you can see all of those necklaces coming up on AliExpress. Now, you always want to sort it by most orders, and you can see you got 11,000 orders, 33,000 orders. So this is a very solid product. Now, the cool thing about this is, of course, this is nothing new. We've seen these kind of products before, but what is new and what you have to take into consideration when you're doing product research is what made the product do well. Now, number one, it's been used on TikTok. Number two, the style of the video, noise effects, the way it's been recorded has been done a different way than most people do them. Now, they've used certain apps to get this effect. They've got like this glittery effect. Now, I'm going to show you quickly on the App Store. There's an app called Kira, and I'll leave it on the screen. And that's the app that a lot of people are using on TikTok to get this glitter effect, which people love, and it increases CTR. So it's not just about finding products on these tools. It's also about breaking down what made these really successful and work backwards. And that's what I always do. Now, the next thing that you want to do is you want to go over to popular trends, because this is showing you new upcoming trends that are doing really, really well on the TikTok ad platform. And if you scroll down, you can see this video right here, and this is a baby earwax product, and this is basically becoming very popular on the TikTok platform. So it tells you that the kid niche is starting to be popular on this platform, also the actual product itself. Now, when you click on the video, it actually shows you the video, gives you all the information as well. Now, what you can do is you can actually take a look at the comments. You can see how many shares, and you can also see how many likes. So this has got some really good engagement right now. If we take a look at the comments, you're going to see people put, where did you buy this product? You look at the comments, people are going to say where they bought it. So somebody put, I found this product on Amazon by typing in Amazon earwax removal. So if we type in earwax removal tool and then you put it onto AliExpress, you're going to find that exact same product. So it's very important that you take a look at these comments, because you're going to find out all the important information. You also want to take a look at, what do people think of the product? Are people satisfied with the product? What are the suggestions people have? Because if you read the comments and they're saying, well, look, I think this version of the product would be better, then look for that version of the product. So it's all about doing your audience research. So guys, I'm going to be saving the best till last, which is the showcase version of the TikTok Creative Center. Now, this gives you all the tools that you need in the toolbox. It gives you the region that you want to use, the industry, the ad format, and the competitive objective. Now, when you're doing this, you do want to change this to conversions. You always want to change this to conversions because then it's going to show you the products that are shopped now that are products that actually are going to be sold to. So that's very important that you do that. These car lights are coming up. Loads of different things are coming up. So once you've got your filters added, you want to click showcase, and what it will do is it'll give you the complete info on this video, and it will also show you suggested videos that are similar to this product. So you can see the background, you can see the highlights, it talks about the Shopify website, you've got the performance on here, then you've got suggested videos to this as well, and it's really, really powerful, guys. So guys, the second method that I use to find these winning products is I head over to a tool called Ecom Hunt, and I only use the free version. I do not use the paid version, and I go back to the last pages on this website. And you're probably thinking, Cam, you've already said this before in other videos. It's completely different, guys. Now, once you've gone back to the last pages, you're going to be able to see that Ecom Hunt now tells you which products are trending again. This was posted 4 years ago, but they're telling you based on the research they've done that this product is trending again. So that's one thing that I do, but I also take this to the next level. So these garden gloves are trending again, and the grooming gloves are doing good again. So these pet grooming gloves are doing really well again. So what you want to do is you want to search for the product in AliExpress, sort it by orders, and you want to find the top sellers in AliExpress. So AliExpress now tells you who are selling the most in AliExpress, which is really important. Now, you also want to go for the option that have the 10-day delivery. So you want to go for the top selling AliExpress supplier, but you also want to go for the one that offers 10-day shipping. Click on the seller, and then what you want to do is you want to head over to the free Google Doc sheet and copy and paste this template that I've given you, because this is what the magic is. The magic is you're going to message the supplier asking them if there is a newer version of this product. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to scroll down and go to where it says contact, and once you click contact, you're going to be able to send them the message that I've given you in this free Google Doc sheet, which reads hello supplier name. So whatever the supplier name is, you're going to put it in here. My name is your name. I'm a professional dropshipper. You can make this up as much as you want, but I keep it as realistic as possible. And I see that you are the best supplier for the product. So whatever the product is, you put it in here. For example, for me, it's going to be the pet grooming glove. I am looking to sell a similar product to this item. I have a few questions. Is there a newer version of this product? Are there other products that are similar to this product that are selling well? I would love to work with you on a new product. I look forward to hearing from you. Then your name. Now, the whole point of this is you're trying to find out this information, because if there is a newer version of this product, then any newer version of a product tends to do the same as the older version, but people don't realize there's a newer version because there's not mass advertisement. So that's the key there. Anything that's a new version of an old product always does similar or better. Then the second thing that you're digging is you're asking the supplier, because they're the professionals in this industry, are there any products that are similar to that product that are selling well? Because they can tell you, look, we have this other product that's selling well, why don't you check it out? Now, they're only going to give you this information if they think that you're a valid candidate for them to work with, because obviously them telling you about other successful products is good for them, because if they can get more people selling their dropshipping product, they're going to make more money. So they're inclined to tell you this information as long as you fit their criteria, which is somebody serious. So that's why you're going to make sure that when you reach out to them, you're coming across somebody serious and not trying to waste their time. So once you click the contact button, you will need to sign in, and then once you have, it will take you to the messaging center where you can send them a message, and it typically takes a few days for them to reply. Now, if this supplier doesn't give you the information, move on to the next supplier, but try and aim for these top selling AliExpress suppliers, because those are the ones that will give you the best information. So guys, the third method that I'm currently using, now this is a free option and a paid option, but I personally use the paid option because the paid version gives you some incredible options. Now, what this tool is, it's a winning product tool that focuses primarily on influencer marketing for e-commerce brands. So they give you loads of these really popular influencers, but they tell you the brands that they've worked with, the products they've worked with, and how successful they were. So you can find out what's working well and what isn't working well. So you can go to the live section. This basically just gives you the live influencer marketing, what's currently going on right now. I personally don't really use this. I use the influencer all strategy, and I believe this is the free option. Now, this is going to give you the top performing influencers worldwide. Now, you can change this to different countries. Now, something that I want to give you guys, which is really valuable, the top performing influencer countries right now is the French, USA, and English market. Those are the 3 top performing ones, or 4 top performing ones if I've added 4. So do bear that in mind when you go to the country section. Now, the next thing that you guys want to do is you want to scroll down and look for some influencers that could potentially be in your niche, and you can change this by category. So whatever your niche is in, or whatever products that you've got passion in, search for them, and then it will show you the influencers related to that. Now, once you've done that, you can click on the influencer's name, and once you click on the influencer's name, what this is going to do is it's going to bring you up their database on what they've currently used. So if you click on shops, it will show you the shops that they've currently promoted before on their Instagram. Now, a lot of the actual products that these influencers promote are actually dropshipping products, which is funny enough. They're either private label dropshipping products, or they can sometimes be actual e-commerce brands, but majority of times it is genuinely dropshipping products. So it'll actually show you the shop, so you can actually click on here and actually see the shop information and get the information out of it. So now I've clicked on view shop. It's actually going to tell me the shop, what the shop has done, what influencers they've worked with, similar shops as well, and it's going to give me all the other information like the top promoters, and it will also give me the link to the actual website itself as well, which is really, really powerful. Now, the other thing that I love is the winning product section. This is massive, and this is probably the one that I'm using the most right now. So I go to last seen and I change it to number of placements, because the more number of placements means the product's done better, because you'll only pay more influencers if you've had an ROI on other influencers. So you can see that these have got over 100 placements, meaning that they've done really, really well. Now, this is a facial steamer. So this is easily found on AliExpress. We all know they're on AliExpress. You can just search for it on AliExpress and find it. Now, if I click on this, it's actually going to give me all the information regarding the product returns of the influencers, what was it actually added on. And you guys can see here, tell me the top promoters. So these influencers are the top promoters. Now, it's also going to tell me what countries that this product currently sold really, really well in. So if I go to influencers, it's going to show me the top influencers. And what you want to do is you want to look at these influencers and you want to check out what they're promoting as well. Now, it's also going to give you the similar products as well, which products have done really, really well that are very similar to the current product. Now, if we go back to the analyst tool, this is where the power really kicks in. You want to look on their website. You don't want to just look at their website. You want to see what the top markets are. So the top markets are saying the US and Canada. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and find influencers that are very similar to these influencers, but in the French, the UK market, because this product did really, really well in the American market. Now I'm going to try and find similar influencers to these ones, but in the other markets that I know that do really, really well. So guys, I'm going to be showing you another example of this so you completely understand what I'm trying to do here. So when I scroll down again and I go to number of placements, this has had 75 placements, and the main market was the UK market. And this is something that you want to look at when you're scrolling down. This is the French market. So this has done really, really well in the French market. So can I find influencers for the same product but in the US and Canada market, because I know that market does well. Now, this is a very similar product to this product here. Now, this was the main country, the USA, but this one's the UK. So why would I not try this, but in the USA? And what I could do is, because this product is the exact same, very similar. This is a nose sucker. This is a steamer. They do very similar things. Now, what I might want to do is, because these products are very hand in hand, they pretty much work together. What I might want to do is I might want to use this product. It's a vacuum sucker. You can get these off AliExpress very easily and off other suppliers. What I might want to do is I might want to literally advertise this on the USA market with influencers and use the exact influencers that they used but for this product. So I hope that makes sense, and this is the exact strategy that we've used, and I've made a case study on it before that have actually got us winning products that have done multiple 6 figures. So guys, the live option of this tool is extremely powerful, but it's only going to be powerful for those that are going to be having a lot of time on their hands, because this is literally showing you ads that run on influencers platforms literally within the last couple of hours, even less than an hour. Now, this is powerful if you want to jump on a product that hasn't got mass adoption, but you're willing to try it and test it with other influencers, and it's not hit the mainstream. So this is a little bit more riskier, but you get better results if it works out, if it makes sense. So what you want to do is you want to scroll through and try and find things. Now, a lot of these, again, will be real brands. So for example, this is a gym wear store. Now, you can find out what type of gym wear they're promoting and try and run similar gym wear with other influencers. And if you click on this, it's actually going to give you all the information regarding this current live influencer promotion. Now, again, like I said, said, you've got jewelry here that somebody's running, and again, you can find very similar jewelry to this on AliExpress, but again, this will only work if you jump on it quick. So you can see the main country to this is Portugal, so you might want to try this in Spain or other European countries, very similar. So guys, the last method that I currently use is another paid method, and this is called Peakster. Now there is a 2-day free trial, so I'll leave it in the description and in the cheat sheet, and this is basically an all-in-one tool built into one, so it just saves you loads of time and hassle. Now this is the winner section, and you've got loads of different modifications that you can do to filter down, but I leave it broad, and what it'll do is it'll show you loads of current winners that are being done really well on AliExpress, and if you click on one of the links, it'll give you the profit cost, it'll give you the descriptions, it'll give you the video, the thumbnail, it'll give you the ad copy, it'll give you every information that you need, all the store links, even the CJ Dropshipping link, so it'll also show you that you can use this on CJ Dropshipping, which is great because you want to try and get away from AliExpress, so it's good that they give you the alternative supplier as well, which is really, really powerful. So then you've got something called the product spy section. Now this is basically the ad spy tool for Facebook ads, and you can see loads of different Facebook ads that have currently come up, and you can filter them down by loads of different things. This is nothing new, guys, the ad spy tool, but I just thought I'd show it you. So the product explore tool is going to show you the Amazon winning products right now, what's currently selling really, really well on Amazon, and whatever does well on Amazon typically does well on paid ads as well. So that's a great tool. Then you got store explorer, which shows you the winning stores. Then you got suppliers. This shows you winning products purely just on CJ Dropshipping. So then you've got something called TikTok spy, and this is basically a TikTok ad spy tool similar to Facebook, but just for TikTok. And I know there's already a TikTok Creative Center app, but this is going to show you other products that are primarily dropshipping products, so you know exactly what they are, and they can be found on AliExpress, and they give you a bigger version of the dropshipping list as well, which is amazing. So guys, those were my brand new strategies to finding my winning products for my Shopify dropshipping stores. Let me know which strategy is your favorite and which one's giving you the best results, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.